Introducing the new Vanishing Hidden Roller. This is a timber lid hinge set and right angle gear drive assembly. The all-new smooth opening Vanishing Hidden Roller system from Pool Solar Heating offers a finger lift timber lid hinge system that's easy to install and simple to use. No more clunky, heavy hidden roller systems with dangerous lids. This 316 stainless steel durable hinge set is very hard wearing and long lasting around chlorinated or salt water. Designed to last, simple to use. This set includes 5 hinges, a gear drive assembly with a bracket on a 114mm roller, a standing handle winder, a packet of 316 stainless fixings. Please note this does not include timber, but we do recommend 18mm by 140mm timber palings. Any questions, just give our team a call or email. Details are in the description below.